Bitcoin will do this next, so be ready guys, and that's what we are going to discuss in this video. As you see guys, the daily candle here, it finished and the Bitcoin gave us here an indecision candle in a very strong level. Also we've been showing you that level before a lot here in that channel. It happened here an indecision candle. That means over there in that place there is a war between bulls and bears. The bulls, they want it to be broke, and the bears, they don't want it to get broke. So also we still waiting and we're going to see what's going to happen. And me, I'm still like I also told you yesterday. I told you either the market going to give us here a double top and it's going to fall down to break down here. Also we're going to enter that short, or it's going to break higher like that, and I'll show you even that one here. All is going to give you a head and shoulder. By the way guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 like, and know you can do it, so please smash that like button down, write down a comment, tell us your thought about Bitcoin, what you thinking. You done it? Thank you very much my friend. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord and VIP Telegram, where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals in the Bitcoin and sometimes in Ethereum. So if you are interested, the link is down in description of that video and in the first comment. Also we enter along, it's hitting the first, second, third and even the fourth take profit. So if you want to make serious money, welcome to the family guys. The link is down in description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as me I told you here, there is one of two. Either the Bitcoin going to give us here that head and shoulder, and I showed it to you in yesterday video. I told you like that, very big head and shoulder here. If the market breaking here, that means also we're going to break even that 74k. We're going to go more higher. Second scenario, Bitcoin here going to give us here like a price action here, head and shoulder, something like that here, and it's going to fall down again. Or there is even the third scenario guys. Third scenario, the Bitcoin from that level here is going to fall down here, down again to that 64k or something, and after that it's going to take off. Even that one it's possible. So also we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. So I think picture is very clear. We don't need to waste a lot of time here. Now you can even come here to the one here like that, and you do in here an uptrend from the tail of the candle here and the one here, and you waiting even if that one getting broke here, you can enter a short. So I think picture is very clear. We don't need to make the video too long. Now here, what shall you do? You came to that last high here and you waited to get broke, a daily candle to close above that level here. You can buy again. For the short, if wait down here, the market to fall down, to cross down here. Today we got for you some on-chain analysis. As every Sunday we came to analyze for you the on-chain analysis. Now let's going to see it together guys. First indicator, that one here, we've been see it here from the start of that channel. We've been follow it every day here. We've been telling you we used to be down here at that yellow, all that cycle from here. We've been follow it till now. We started here in the red, and also we told you look at it here. When that red happened like that guys, always it happen a pump, because that indicator guys, is it for long term. Look at it, always when it happened that red, is it a pump happening? Look at it, we started from down here, look at it here, same thing here, same thing. Now we are here. Now what the view Bitcoin from here is going to take off like how it happened before in all those cycles guys. It's going to happen even that time. That's how it look, because every cycle of those ones it take 4 years. And now also we are here in that red zone here. So you, if you haven't buy enough Bitcoin, try to buy more and more. Me, I'm talking here about long term guys. It's going to come a correction. Try to buy more Bitcoin in it. Don't miss this opportunity my friend. That's the only thing I can tell you. Now let's go to see the second indicator we got today. Second indicator guys is the same thing, but the only thing, that one is different a little bit. It's got oversold and overbought here in the top. That one here, if you see here when that red happened, it give you 3 times. Same thing now here, it give you 3 times. Now let's see And if you came, guys, look with me here. We came here and we draw in here a line like that. I know it doesn't show off. If we came here and we draw in here a line, you see it here. Fall down, he touch it. He fall down, he touch it. And now he fall down, he touch it. You see here the first time when it happened, that pump, what happened there? Look with me here. He do like that. Then he fall down, he touch it. Then after that, he take off. Same thing here happen in that cycle here. Then it take off. Now I think it's going to happen the same thing, guys. Like that. He fall down, he touch it. Then after that, it's going to take off. Not the view personally, guys. That's what me I'm thinking. There is a pump coming. So be ready, be ready, be ready. That's the only thing I can tell you. The only thing you need to focus about. We got here a downtrend like that. So even the one when we touch it here, you need to take some caution there and to be a little bit careful there. So I think picture is very, very clear. By the way, all those analysis is for long term. The chart indicator we got, guys, let me show it to you. Chart indicator is it that one here. That one is very, very, very fast. And look at it down here. That one here. Try to give us here like a double bottom. And me have been saying that here when the Bitcoin fall down to that 50k, I've been telling you guys buy. You can find the same thumbnail, that one here, in a lot of videos in the past videos. So we told you, look at it. Then he done the same thing. Look at it here. He do the same thing. You see it? Now he do the same thing, guys. History, it's always repeating itself, and that's why also we told you buy. Bitcoin maybe from here is going to take off. All the thing you need to be careful about is it here. Look at it here, guys. You see it, that one here, the downtrend, how stronger it is from here. It's been touched a lot of times. So that one here, you need to be careful about it. If we're going to break it and we're going to go more higher, or we're just going to touch it here, then after that we're going to fall down. A pump, it's coming, guys. No matter how long it takes, it's coming a pump. So be ready. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin in 12 hours. As you see it, he couldn't break that last high here. And me, I tell it to you, I told you that last high here. If we break it, we're going to see the Bitcoin going more higher. If we haven't, the Bitcoin is going to give us here a price action. So also we still waiting what's going to happen here in that level here. Because also we are in a very, very stronger supply demand zone. Look at it like that without the volume profile. So you need to be careful, guys. Another thing, even here, look at it. If we came here to that volume here, you see that volume me have been telling you here between 69k till 70k. It's being touched by the tail of that candle. That way we saw the dump and that pump happening there. And me I tell it to you in all those videos I told you, is it there a huge volume? Now let's see if those ones here in that level here, they don't got more power, then the Bitcoin is going to break. Or another scenario, we're going to see the Bitcoin from here falling down, because till now there is a war in that level. So you, if you are a day trader, stay aside and look what's going to happen in the coming days. So I think picture is very, very, very clear, guys. Here 50 moving average is going above to break the 100 and the 200. So also still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. Now let's go in to see the Ethereum what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum in the 4 hours either is going to give us here a price action or something here, telling us the market is going to reverse. It will be very good. Or another scenario from here is going to break. So also we still waiting what's going to happen there. Plus, if you remember what I told you here, I told you got here a very, very stronger level or a triangle. If the Ethereum came back and breaking above here more long, if the Ethereum fall down and breaking down here, you can enter a short. Another scenario, guys, if the Ethereum from here do like that, what is going to give you, if the Ethereum go above and break in here, it's going to give you a head and shoulder. So even that one, you need to be careful about it. So also we still waiting now what's going to happen. As I told you, either here the Ethereum going to take off, or second scenario, the Ethereum from here is going to fall down to break for you that last low here, is going to give you another low lower than the previous one. So also we still waiting what's going to happen. Now let's see our indicator. We're saying here in the Ethereum, guys, our indicator, people they are with me. After it touching here, we buy because that buys it for long term without leverage, without nothing. You, if you are using leverage, till now there is nothing here telling you can enter along. And me, as I show you in before, I told you got here the divergence downtrend here. Till now there is no power to break it. Second thing, you still here only in a bear market, telling you still in a bear market. There is no bulls yet. You need to be careful. You need to be careful that the only thing for long term, also we buy from here, and if it fall down again, we're going to buy. Because also we buying that for long term without leverage, without nothing. So also we still waiting. But after the Ethereum ETF being approved, me personally thinking there is a dump coming. So also we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. If you want exactly when also we're giving those signals where we tell people to enter along, when we tell them not, you can join our VIP Discord. Over there you can chat to us. Also we are available there all the week, so you can chat to us. We reply you. If you got any question, you can join us there. If you are interested, the link of our VIP Discord via Patreon is down in description of that video and in the first comment. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we are doing today, guys, in 4 hours. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, he gave us here like a uptrend. Look at it, or a triangle, if you remember what else we've been saying about it, like that. That wage here, we couldn't break it here in that place here. As you see it, we touch it, then the Bitcoin showing to us as if it's going to fall down. Also now we need to wait either the Bitcoin to fall down to break down here for us to enter a short. At the first scenario, second scenario, the Bitcoin is going to break for us that last high here, and that is going to tell us the sky is limit. Plus you got a new price action here. You came to those lows here, look with me, and that one here, like that. You got a megaphone here, guys. Even though I want to show it to you before, I told you if it's breaking down here, you can enter a short. If it's breaking above here, it's going to break the top of that wage, and you can go more long with it. So that's the only thing I can tell you now. And me, I think maybe it's going to give us here like a triple top like that, and it's going to fall down to break for us down here. Even though one it's possible. So as we still waiting what's going to happen here in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying here in the Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, guys, look at it. We still have here a divergence. Look at it. You see it? Very clear divergence here in the 4 hours. Should we enter a short based on divergence? No, my friend. Also, we don't enter based on divergence. Actually, now you got here a very stronger uptrend. You see it or no? We came with calculation how many times it's been touched. First, second, third, and the start of it is 4 times. So it is a very stronger uptrend. So for you to enter a short, it needs that one at least to be broke. If it doesn't get broke, there is no entry short. Even if you got divergence, no matter what you got, there is no entry short, guys. Because if you remember, we used to have a divergence here in the first, that one here and that one here. What happened? The Bitcoin just fell down, make a correction. Now here reverse upward, same thing now. Also, we don't enter based on divergence. Also, we enter based on price action. Until now there is no price action there, telling us we need to enter a short, guys. So the market is still bullish. Even that indicator of us down here, it's telling us only the bulls will still controlling now. There is no bears in the market. I think picture is very clear, guys. Now let's go into see it. Bitcoin will do it today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there to see it. There we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. People that are with me, also we enter from down here till the top here, hitting for us the 4 take profit. We move the stop loss here. Market fall down, kick me out. Fair enough, I don't care, because me, look how much I earn from here. Now here, what else we doing? We came down here to that low here, you see it, that tell where it reversed, and we are waiting what's going to happen here. For the long we came with, we like that, we waiting. If the Bitcoin came and breaking above here, more long. If the Bitcoin fall down and breaking down here, we're going to enter a short. That market shake will happen here. Is it the shake of Donald Trump when he started talking in that Nashville conference? That's why we saw the market doing that, and that's normal, guys. So also we still waiting what's going to happen. And you can even come and do something like that. You see it here from the tail of that candle here to that one here. You can make an uptrend like that. So even that one, you can base your trade decide on it, and here in the top you can come and do something like that. I think picture is very clear, guys. Now let's see our indicator. What it's saying here in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Our indicator, guys, as you see, it's being here at the overbought area. When that check happened, it started going down. Now let's see to wait it where it's going to stop, either from there to catch in a long, or we can go with it a short. That one here, there is no power to enter it to the place where the bears they controlling. That means it's still only the bulls who controlling now. So also we need to wait till the right time, guys. So I think picture is very clear. So that's it for that video, guys, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You've done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.